Hi guys, today we've got this beautiful wavy half up half down hairstyle. To start, I've popped a loose curl in the hair. This would work with waves, curls and even straight hair. I've left out some hair to frame the face, and I'm just going to take a really small section of hair from above the ear, and we're going to take the same section on the opposite side. Now we're just going to bring these together at the back of the head just above ear height and secure them together with a clear elastic band. Next, I'm going to take another small slice of hair from just behind the ear, just below that first section, and again take the same size section on the opposite side, bring these both together at the back of the head, and we're just going to tie them together just over the top of that first ponytail. Now I've got a topsy tail tool. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and I'm going to slip this behind both ponytails. Now taking the ponytail on the top, I'm going to pass the ends through the loop and then pull on the end so it twists over. And we're going to do that again, so slip that tool behind both ponytails, grab the top ponytail only, pull the ends through the loop, and then we're going to hold on to the bottom of the topsy tail tool and pull it all the way through. And we're just going to do this one last time. So take that top ponytail, pull it through the loop, and then pull the topsy tail through all the way through. And I'm just going to bobby pin the middle of that little twist to the head to keep it secure. And I'm going to take some texture spray and apply it to both twists. Again, I'll leave it linked below for you. And then just use your fingers to pinch and pull the right hand twist apart until you're happy with how messy it is. And then to keep it to the head, just slip a bobby pin or two down the length of that twist. And then just repeat this on the opposite side. So pinch and pull your twist until you're happy with the texture, and then just slip a couple of bobby pins through the centre of the twist. Next, pinch and pull the hair just above the twists to give it a little bit more volume. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.